Hello, hello, my crafty friends. It is Friday night for me. I'm not quite sure when I'm going to post this, but I just got done watching Craft Roulette, which I haven't watched for a while. You might, if you've been around my channel, you know that I've been a guest on it a couple times. I do like to watch it. I don't always play along because I get intimidated, but I decided that I was going to watch it again and try to make myself not get intimidated and create cards each week, except when like I'm on vacation or whatever. And I figured if I'm diving in to do that, I might as well dive in and maybe do a video. It won't be every week. We know me. It won't be every week. But since this week I had the house to myself and I actually did create along with it, I thought, why not do a quick video? The only reason that I really thought that is because one of the parameters tonight was a matchbook card. And my first instinct was to go, oh no, I'm not going to create this. That's got to be hard. But then I thought about it and I looked it up and it actually is so easy. And I thought I would just share. I have everything kind of almost ready. All I have to do is put the card together. But I thought I would just share as I did that, and maybe you would be inspired to create a matchbook card. The parameters tonight it was Craft Roulette episode 162. It was a matchbook card. The colors were a flowering field. I think it was the element was birds, and then the random was wood grain. So I'll show you what I shopped my stash big time for this card, which was super fun. So I was super excited to remember that I have this very old My Mind's Eye Miss Caroline dolled up paper pad. See, 2012. Yeah. Hoard much? Yes. But I remembered this paper. It has the wood grain and it has flowering fields on it. So I got that out. And then I remembered this stamp set retired from Stamping Up, Free as a Bird. So there's bird. And then the matchbook card. And then I also brought in some retired Stamping Up ink pads, soft suede, and so saffron. And I believe that my card base is soft suede. It was already cut. So to make the matchbook card is super duper easy. I looked it up and I forgot to note where I found this and I deleted like the page. So I can't give credit where I got it. I'm so sorry. It is not my original thought by any means. So you start with a regular card base, which is 4 1/4 by 11. And then it's easy. You score at 4 3/4 and 10. And then you fold it, and look at that, you have a matchbook. Like I said, already have everything all stamped, colored, cut, ready to go. So we know that I liked to do the inside. So going to add this to the inside. I'm also not going to be editing this really, so I'm sorry, you just have to watch it all. But that'll fit right there. It says your friendship means the world to me, and I have that bird. And then I have this piece of a scrap of the paper that I'm going to put right on top there. But I'm going to leave a little bit of that white showing. So there will be the inside. And then for the cover, I did cut a piece of that pattern paper to go on the little flap. So we will add that. And I think I want the flowers to be down like that. And then we're going to add this piece. And I'm realizing I didn't grab at any embellishments, but that's okay. I will add those when I take the pictures. So this is going to go there. And then before I go any further, I'm going to staple the bottom of this right like almost on the crease, just so it has something. Sure, I'm going to staple it to hold it when you tuck that top part in. Oh, let's see if I can get it lined up. All right, move that out of the way. And so that way it'll stay tucked better. That looks so pretty. I kind of like that. And then I did color up my bird. I'm also really going to start making an effort to list colors. These are all the colors I used on that little itty bitty image. I will have everything in the description box below, as well as on my blog post. I found an old doily from Stamping Up that I thought went with this well. I'm going to grab some liquid glue for that. Kind of a hot mess, aren't I? But anyways, I just thought this would be fun, because why not? Glue my fingers. The bird piece will hold it down mostly. And I'm going to put it right there. Put this back in before I lose it. And then I'm just going to add my bird. And that, after I add my embellishments, I'm thinking maybe like some pearls. Not sure. I haven't really looked yet. But there is my finished card for Craft Roulette episode 162. Again, you just open it up. That little bird gets hidden a little bit, but that's okay. You can still see him peeking out there. And then you just tuck it in. It's a fun fold, but it's like super easy. So give it a try, or let me know in the comments if you've tried it before. If you haven't ever watched Craft Roulette, I will leave a link below. I have been a guest on there before, and it's lots of fun with two ends. And I think that's all for me now. So you have a great day, and go do something crafty.